Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. It's day 182 of Vlogmas.
No, it's not. It's day 17. So let's go find Elfie. This is my whole bag of stuff that I got from my aunt. I got tons of stuff that usually I'm not allowed to use. This is my teenager. Why is our favorite game so?
Because Michael borrowed them.
Michael what?
Borrowed them.
I don't see her outside.
Just for a minute.
Trying to find Elf. Didn't turn the light off.
Well, I'm sure that'll help you find out.
Is she in here?
I don't know. I haven't seen her yet.
What
Oh
is
my
Elf?
gosh. Why is she tied up on the train? Is the moose trying to kill her? Oh my
I think this fell.
Okay. Weirdest
Okay,
elf
so
movement ever.
so this is what she was doing. So she was tied up with my bracelets and headbands. I got these from Aunt Jackie. With one of my bracelets. I guess she decided that was a bad idea, so she tied it. She didn't even take the tag off. Both of them. She used both my tags.
Oh my gosh. That is
So she tied herself up with my stuff.
I don't know if she did it or if the reindeer did it.
Yeah.
I think that reindeer. I think we need to get rid of that reindeer.
He stole my bracelet.
I think he's trying to murder Elf.
I hate you. My
What
elf
the
is a-
heck? Maybe they were playing train robbery or something. That's just
And then she wore
Interesting.
my homemade glasses. Only the queen's allowed to.
maybe they were drinking last night. Who knows?
Maybe they're drunk.
I know that's what
What the heck, Elf? What are you doing with your...
Oh my goodness. What, baby?
Is he your boyfriend?
I don't think a boyfriend would tie his girlfriend up and put him on the train.
I love they were playing.
That is just that's different. That's very
Are you
different.
serious, Mr. Moose? I love you, but you can't be so crazy.
Okay, ma'am. We'll come back to the rest of it later, okay? Here's what I'm shipping out today. These 3 little, I guess kind of like toddler size hair bows. I paid $1.25 for these and sold these for $7.64. This NASCAR hat is seen better days, but I put all that in the listing. I paid 62 cents and sold this for $8.49. This carbon white and blue and black. It's really pretty. I love the design on it. Excuse me. This one I paid 39 cents and sold this for $6.79. This Rug Doctor filter. I paid 69 cents and sold this for $6.61. This Panasonic, it's for a fax machine imaging film. I paid 50 cents for this and sold this for $8.49. And then on my daughter's account, I paid $3.30 for this dress and sold this for $24.99. This is a Paisley Vine brand dress. And then on Amazon, I paid $4.09 for this and sold this for $29.95 plus shipping. And then this is the winner of the weekend. This I paid a quarter for and sold this for $100 plus shipping. Everything else I'm covering the shipping on. These two Amazon are plus shipping. That's all that's going this Monday morning. Tonight for dinner we are having ground beef quesadillas with shredded lettuce, salsa, and sour cream.